calling all health enthusiasts. Step right in as we dive into the world of wellness. Get ready for a kidney-centric adventure like no other. Our kidneys work tirelessly, sifting through the sea of waste and excess fluids. But what if they need a little boost? Fear not, Mother Nature has bestowed upon us her secret elixirs. Kidney troubles, inflammation, fluid retention. Say no more. Discover the magic of herbal teas, nature's own antidote to kidney woes. Pour yourself a cup of comfort with these remarkable blends. From the zing of ginger to the tranquility of chamomile, each tea performs its own kidney-saving symphony. Stay tuned as we reveal the top 5 elixirs for your daily sipping pleasure. We've carefully curated this collection of 5 teas, each with its own superpower for kidney health. Hey there, welcome to our YouTube channel. We've got a ton of exciting health tips and home remedies to share with you. But hold on a second. We need you to keep a few things in mind. While we do our best to provide valuable information, it's important to remember that we're not medical professionals. So before you dive into any of our remedies or treatments, we strongly recommend consulting with a qualified healthcare provider. We want you to stay safe and healthy, so please use your own judgment and discretion when using any of the information we present. Remember, your well-being comes first. And with that being said, we've got a treat in store for you with this video of home remedies for kidney repair. 5 best herbal teas you must drink. Not only will we unveil these tantalizing teas, but we'll also take a deep dive into their inner workings and share the perfect brewing techniques to maximize their benefits. And that's not all. Brace yourself for some exclusive bonus tips. But before we begin, make sure to show us some love by hitting that like button, subscribing, and ringing that bell for more transformative content that will elevate your health. Now let's embark on this delightful journey to boost kidney health. Are you ready to uncover your newest tea obsession? Number 5. Dandelion tea. Step into the world of dandelion tea, a magical elixir often underestimated as a mere garden weed. Brace yourself for an exciting journey exploring its treasure trove of health benefits, particularly for those seeking to conquer kidney-related challenges. Picture this humble herb, cherished for centuries across various cultures for its extraordinary medicinal properties. Now let's dive into the mesmerizing details of why dandelion tea deserves a prime spot in your wellness repertoire. Imagine a natural diuretic gently whisking away excess fluid from the body, ensuring kidney health remains in check. For individuals battling kidney disease, this becomes a game-changing ally, lifting the burden from overburdened kidneys. Oh, but that's not all. Brace yourself for a surge of antioxidants that wage war against free radicals, squashing oxidative stress and cellular destruction, especially those menacingly lurking around your kidneys. But wait, it gets even better. These magnificent antioxidants dance their way into boosting your immune system and curbing inflammation, nurturing your overall well-being. Now let's talk blood sugar levels. Prepare to be intrigued as studies unveil dandelion tea's potential to regulate blood sugar, a lifeline for those battling diabetes that could escalate into kidney disease. Lo and behold, dandelion tea's heroic role doesn't end there. Look closely, and you'll discover its prowess in detoxifying the liver, a strategic player in supporting kidney function by lightening the body's toxin load. This divine synergy between the liver and kidneys manifests in a harmonious balance, vital for your entire body's health. But enough suspense, let's prepare this divine herbal potion. Fear not, for the process is as simple as waving a wand. Gather 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried dandelion leaves or roots and infuse them in boiling water for a mere 10 minutes. If fresh dandelion leaves are your weapon of choice, increase the serving to a small handful. Retrieve your concoction, now magnum opus of flavors, by carefully straining out the leaves or roots. You can savor this brew as it is, but if you crave a touch of enchantment, add a drizzle of honey or a twist of lemon. Now take heed of the perfect time to indulge in this mystical beverage. The morning sun or the early afternoon provide the ideal backdrop, as the diuretic effects could disrupt your slumber if consumed too close to twilight. And here's a delicate reminder. While dandelion tea is generally deemed safe, it may intermingle with certain medications and isn't a recommended feat for everyone. To tread this enchanting path, always consult your trusted healthcare provider, especially if you harbor any lingering health concerns. Embark on this extraordinary odyssey filled with dandelion secrets, where health and adventure intertwine. Cheers to a transformed well-being, courtesy of dandelion tea's marvelous touch. Get ready for a mind-blowing fact. Dandelion tea has a long, rich history in traditional medicine. It's been used in remedies from cultures around the world. So have you ever given this herbal tea a try? Or maybe you have other favorite herbal teas? Let us know in the comments below. Number 4. Ginger tea. Imagine a world where a zesty and flavorful beverage called ginger tea isn't just a taste bud delight, but a health-boosting powerhouse filled with antioxidants. Get ready to be amazed as we explore the remarkable benefits of this magical elixir. Did you know that ginger tea has the potential to enhance renal function in kidney disease patients? It's true. With its rich profile of bioactive compounds and nutrients, ginger proves to be beneficial for both the brain and body. And let's not forget about gingerol, a powerful component known for its medicinal qualities, especially in combating inflammation that often goes unnoticed. But the benefits don't stop there. Ginger tea can also help prevent stomach ulcers, ease digestive issues like indigestion and constipation, and even provide relief from menstrual pain without any of the pesky side effects caused by non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. Oh, and did I mention ginger tea's incredible effectiveness in relieving nausea? It's a true champion in that department. Now let me reveal the simplest yet most effective method to prepare ginger tea. Thinly slice fresh ginger, about an inch per cup of tea, and combine it with fresh water in a saucepan. Let it boil and simmer gently for that perfect strength, usually around 5 minutes. Strain the tea to remove the ginger pieces, and if you're feeling extra adventurous, enhance your brew with a slice of lemon or orange, a touch of honey, or even stevia for those managing diabetes or pre-diabetes. But remember, always consult your doctor before adding any home remedy into your routine to ensure safety and compatibility with your health needs. Prepare to indulge in a cup of ginger tea that not only satisfies your taste buds, but also nourishes your body and soul. And as we move on to our next number, get ready to meet an even more powerful contender in the fight against inflammation, armed with impressive detoxifying abilities. Exciting, isn't it? Number 3. Nettle leaf tea. Nettle leaf tea, the miraculous mother of all tonics. Hold your excitement because we're about to dive into the captivating world of nettle leaf tea. Loaded to the brim with essential minerals and boasting mind-blowing cleansing properties, this herbal wonder is here to rock your world. But before we proceed, let's address the elephant in the room, the notorious stinging nettle. Yes, this herb may be armed with needle-like hairs that cause burning sensations and rashes upon contact. But fear not, once it's dried, it transforms into a completely safe and delightful adventure. To brew this magical elixir, grab 1 tablespoon of dried leaves per cup of water, steep it for 5 minutes, and prepare to unlock the secrets of nettle leaf tea. Why is it so highly regarded, you ask? Well, it turns out that the dried version of these leaves possesses extraordinary anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving powers. In fact, recent studies have shown its potential in alleviating arthritis pain, rivaling the effectiveness of NSAIDs. Imagine reducing your dependence on pain medication, all thanks to this herb. And that's not all. The benefits extend beyond pain relief. Nettle leaf tea has been approved in some countries for treating urinary issues, showcasing its remarkable detoxifying capabilities. By promoting diuresis, it aids the kidneys in flushing out toxins and excess fluids, giving you a renewed sense of vitality. Get ready to bid farewell to mundane coffee alternatives because nettle leaf tea is here to steal the spotlight. Not only does it offer a delightful flavor, but it also promises to be your loyal companion on the path to longevity. So why wait? Embrace the magic of nettle leaf tea and let the journey to ultimate wellness begin. Number 2. Green tea. Green tea, often dismissed as just another ordinary tea, possesses remarkable health benefits that set it apart. Prepare to be amazed. Not only is it a delightful and refreshing beverage, but it also has the potential to support kidney repair. So, what makes green tea so exceptional, you ask? Let's take a deep dive into its extraordinary qualities. Green tea is renowned for its wide range of health advantages, including a decreased risk of heart disease and cancer. One key factor is its wealth of polyphenols, which contribute to its heart-healthy properties. These incredible compounds aid in the relaxation of blood vessels, benefiting not only your heart, but also your kidneys. But here's the real secret behind green tea's power: its high catechin content. With minimal processing, green tea retains an abundance of these exclusive phytonutrients found only in tea plants. Catechins are so potent that they not only combat cell damage, but also have the potential to prevent it. In fact, a remarkable Japanese study involving over 40,000 adults, conducted over 11 years, revealed that those who consumed the most green tea, 5 or more cups daily, experienced significantly lower mortality rates. With such profound results, it's clear that green tea is one of the most heart-healthy beverages you can enjoy. And as we know, a healthy heart is crucial for maintaining kidney well-being, making green tea an invaluable ally. But that's not all. Green tea also offers additional benefits, such as aiding in the management of diabetes and improving insulin sensitivity. This is particularly important since diabetes is a leading cause of chronic kidney disease worldwide. However, remember to be mindful of when you indulge in green tea. Consuming it with meals may hamper the absorption of certain essential minerals, like iron, which are crucial for those with kidney ailments. For optimal results, savor your tea a couple of hours apart from meals. Lastly, green tea serves as a fantastic coffee alternative. Unlike coffee, which can elevate blood pressure due to its caffeine content, green tea provides a lower amount of caffeine. This allows you to reduce your caffeine intake without quitting cold turkey. A cup of green tea typically contains approximately 100 milligrams or less of caffeine, a modest amount compared to the higher levels often found in coffee. So the next time you crave a satisfying and health-boosting beverage, don't underestimate the power of green tea. Its unique properties, vast health benefits, and refreshing taste are bound to leave you wanting more. Are you ready to discover the ultimate green tea brewing technique? Let's dive in. Firstly, remember that to unlock the full potential of green tea, ditch the tea bags and opt for high-quality loose-leaf green tea. This way, you'll savor the exquisite flavors and experience the true essence of this remarkable beverage. Now here's where the magic happens. Start by pouring gently heated water over the tea leaves, letting them steep for a tantalizing 10 seconds. Yes, just 10 seconds. Once this initial infusion is complete, drain this liquid. This step helps eliminate any initial tea compounds, ensuring a pure and invigorating taste. But wait, what if all you have are green tea bags? No worries, you can still reap the benefits for your kidney health. Just remember, the loose leaf experience is unparalleled. Now let's talk about choosing tea. Always go for brewed teas instead of bottled ones. Bottled teas and sugary drinks are like liquid sugar, which is a big no-no for your health. Even diet or sugar-free options can be harmful due to certain additives. On the other hand, brewed teas offer fantastic health benefits. So, are you ready to embark on your green tea journey? Give this brewing method a try and prepare to be amazed. Cheers to a healthier and more delightful tea drinking experience. But wait, there's more. As we wrap up our list, I'm thrilled to unveil the Ultimate Champion, a beverage that not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also offers incredible health benefits. Brace yourself, because this one is a game changer, especially for individuals with kidney disease. Get ready to experience the magic. Introducing an extraordinary beverage that takes the lead on our chart, offering not only a delightful taste, but also remarkable health benefits. Get ready to be amazed, especially if you have kidney disease. Number 1. Chamomile tea. Discovering the enchanting world of chamomile tea is like embarking on a journey towards improved kidney health. Picture yourself savoring a warm cup of this delightful beverage in the evening, not only for its sleep-inducing qualities, but for its remarkable impact on your overall well-being. As you sip your chamomile tea, its gentle embrace lulls you into a restful slumber, allowing your kidneys to thrive. But that's not all. This golden elixir works wonders beyond sleep. Its soothing properties extend to your digestive system, ensuring harmony within. With each sip, chamomile tea unleashes a wave of calm, gently lowering blood pressure and releasing the burden of stress. It becomes your steadfast companion, guiding you on a path towards optimal kidney health. However, let's not forget that chamomile tea is just one part of a bigger picture. Your health journey is a tapestry intricately woven with lifestyle choices and dietary habits. While delighting in daily rituals of green or chamomile tea, remember to keep your body vibrant by refraining from smoking, staying active, and nourishing it with a balanced diet. So embark on this captivating voyage of chamomile tea, rejoicing in its tranquility and embracing its gifts of health. But always remember, a holistic approach to well-being is the true key to vitality. That's a wrap for today. Thank you for embarking on this exciting journey through the wonderful world of beneficial teas with us. Get ready, because we've got more health insights and captivating content coming your way. Don't miss out on all the valuable information. Be sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing videos just like this one. We can't wait to catch you in the next installment. Stay tuned.